Learn English. Welcome to English 8K. We learn 2 words every day and write them on paper flashcards. Today is Saturday, April 12th. Here are the 2 words we will learn today. Number 1 is not the morning, yeah, very good. And to help somebody do something. Number 1, please listen and write this in your notebook. I do my homework every evening. I do my homework every evening. Evening. You do your homework between 6 p.m. and midnight. Now we can make a flashcard for evening. Please make a card like this. Write evening up here in the top left corner. EVENING. Down here in the bottom left corner, N1. This means noun, level 1. And over here the number 55 out of 200. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Eve, ning, evening. Number 2, please listen and write this in your notebook. Bob will help us move tomorrow. Bob will help us move tomorrow. Help. He will do some of the work so that we don't have to do all of it. Now we can make a flashcard for help. Please make a card like this up here in the top left corner, right? To help somebody do something. This is the basic form. Down in this corner, V1, N1. V1 means verb, level 1. And over here the number 27 out of 82. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. The IPA is the same. Help. Game over. You did very well today. Jennifer eats dinner every evening. Very nice. And do you do your homework by yourself, or does your mother help you do your homework? Very good. And if you are high level, here are the level 2 words for today. Can you say number 1? Very good. Community. This is many people that live in one area. Number 2, question mark. Yeah, that's a funny thing at the end of a question. And number 3, I am busy. Please do not disturb me. Yes, this means to bother somebody. My name is Vinny from Canada. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. Please write your language on the other side of the card. You can join our program anytime because the schedule is rotating